Hey folks, well, I'm back with another unboxing. Something I'm excited about. I've shown you a few devices. I've reviewed a few devices from Hollyland. I've even purchased some of my own that I've done videos on, and they were kind enough to send over their newest product. I believe it's the Pyro H wireless video transmission. It's supposed to be able to do one transmitter to four receivers, um, 4K, 2.4 gigahertz, and 5 gigahertz. So this is going to be the unboxing, and then later on I'll do some testing. And in the review that you'll see in the description below in the video, will tell you where to go, give you the link to be able to read the entire review. That will include additional notes. So, and pictures, of course. So let's get right into this box. Don't let's delay this any longer. Take the cover off, throw that aside as we love to do. And here we have the quick start guide. And it says, these two say 4K. As you see, one's red, one's blue. Transmitter receiver. Let's take them out. Let me rest them on the desk for a moment, see what else is in the box. In the bottom here, we have, and I want to rip it out, we have 4 antennas, 2 each, and I'll get into that in a minute. I have, I'm trying to pull it out, a dongle, USB A to C. What do we have here? It feels like it's probably the power adapter, but let me see here for charging maybe. Let's see what's in here. Don't let's guess. Oh, so this is, I'm sorry, this is a mount. Let me check the box first, Saul, to make sure there's nothing else in here so I can put that aside and get it out of the way. You know, sometimes they throw cables and stuff in the bottom of these things. Nope, nothing else in there. You can see it. I can see it. And my mic fell over. And so moving that out of the way. So what really comes in it is the quick start guide, the transmitter receivers. As you can see here, the blue is the receiver. The red is the transmitter. Well, they have 5 antennas. Well, I guess there's an extra because the antennas go on the top here. You see they screw right in here. Not going to attach those right now. It has a 6 to 16 volts DC on the transmitter. It has HDMI in and HDMI loop, so you can go in and out. Opposite side has the LED display screen. Has this would be the menu button, and you press in to select left and right to move. On-off button, this little switch that's typical on Hollyland devices, and USB 5 volt 2 amp power as well. In the back here, they have the battery that holds if you want to use one of those, I don't have one at hand. I usually do one of those Sony batteries that will slide right into, I forgot the number, NFP or NPF. I can't remember the number, but you know what it is, and you'll see it when I do the full review. There's a mount. It has a cold shoe here. And it has a 1/4 20 here. So this will allow you to use the mounts on these devices. As you can see, they both have 1/4 20 female at the bottom. So you can easily attach this here and then put it into a cold shoe. It moves back and forth. It can turn so you can use an angle. On the receiver, you have HDMI out. You have the same, like a BNC, is like a DC connector. Same battery for powering from battery. And there's a battery release button, right? And both of them have the battery release buttons. On the opposite side, you have similarly LED display, control button, on-off switch, and USB 5 volt 2 amp that allows you to power it from any power pack, right? So that's what comes in the box for the unboxing. on the top here, just to show you, I've had these mounts. I have them with a different kit, but there's a mount that Hollyland has that screws into the top here to that will allow you also to mount this device. So not only the 1/4 20, but I have like a plate mount that came with, I think it was the Mars 4K set from them. So this is the Hollyland Pyro H. Like I said, stay tuned. And when the full review is done, you'll be able to read it in its entirety using the link in the description below.